Hello friends, I am Dr. Tarpan Shah and today I am going to give you an idea about clinical reasoning in physiotherapy. The clinical reasoning is also known as problem solving approach, clinical decision making approach, critical thinking or clinical judgment. To make this clinical reasoning simplified, we should know about a very popular saying in the field of teaching and learning. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I know, and their names are what, where, and when, and how, why, and who, given by Kipling and Rudyard. If we ask this question, what, where, when, how, why, and who, okay, then we are already doing the reasoning for whatever the treatment we are giving. Being physiotherapist, we come across many patients with variety of clinical conditions every day, and our job involves finding out their problems and making an appropriate treatment plan for them. But do we ever think how we decide about the assessment and the management of the various problems of our patient? This is actually done by an internal thought process called clinical reasoning. Now, what the clinical reasoning is? The clinical reasoning is a process of thinking or reasoning which is used by all the clinicians for the diagnosis and management of their patient. It is a day-to-day act that every clinician or physiotherapist is involved knowingly or unknowingly. Clinical reasoning can be compared to the process of learning how to ride a bike. Okay, so once you learn this particular art, okay, of doing the clinical reasoning, it becomes ingrained and we don't have to consciously think about it every time. Now, theoretically, if we see the definition given by the Hicks and Jones in the Millennium Year, it says clinical reasoning is defined as a process in which the therapist or the clinician interacting with the patient and other significant members about the meaning, goals, and the health strategies based on the clinical data, client choices, and professional judgment and knowledge. This is what the definition of the clinical reasoning. Clinical reasoning is a thought process that guides our clinical practice. Okay, and it is a cognitive process by which the information contained in all the case or a situation is synthesized, integrated, that means combined or the merged with the clinician's knowledge and experience and used to diagnose and manage the patient's problem. Now, the clinical reasoning is heavily influenced by mainly 3 points, that is the knowledge base, how much knowledge the therapist have, the belief or the values of the therapist, and the skills associated with the clinical practice. Now, the clinical reasoning in physiotherapy is influenced by the attributes of the therapist, patient, and the environment. It depends on the therapist's needs and goals, values and beliefs, knowledge, cognitive, interpersonal, and technical skills. The patient's values and belief, individual, physical, psychological, social, and cultural presentation. And the third one, environment, that means resources available, time, funding, and externally imposed requirements. So if we follow these particular points, okay, we can learn more about the clinical reasoning and we can make this as an integral part of our clinical practice. I hope this will be helpful to you all. Thank you.